Your iPad can remove background people from any photos, generate custom emoji that don't exist, translate entire conversation in real time, and even draft a long grammar perfect email, all without downloading a single app. And no, I'm not talking about some AI app that you will have to pay for. Every single one of these features is already built right into your iPad right now. By the way, since these features use Apple Intelligence, make sure your iPad has Apple Intelligence features and it's enabled in settings. Let's get into it. This is probably the most useful Apple Intelligence features that nobody talks about. Writing tool works everywhere you type on your iPad. Notes, mail, messages, pages, even some third-party apps. You can select any text, tap writing tools, and you can rewrite it in any different tones. Professional, friendly, or concise. You can proofread it, and it doesn't just fix spelling, it catches awkward phrasing, grammar issues, and shows you exactly what it changed. And you can summarize long text down to key points in seconds. I use it constantly when drafting emails to make sure the tone is right before hitting send. And if that's not enough, you can compose with ChatGPT built right in for even more options. The Photos app might have the most impressive Apple Intelligence features of all of them, the natural language search. Type something like "me at the beach" and your iPad finds it. Not by date or album, by what's actually in the photo. And this works for videos too. It'll jump you to the exact moment you're looking for. Cleanup is another AI tool in the Photos app. You can just tap on a person or object in the background and it removes it and also intelligently fills in what was behind it. And memory movies. Type a description in your Photos app like "our summer vacation," and your iPad creates an actual movie with transitions, music, and chapters from your photo library. No editing required. Priority messages surfaces the email that actually matter to the top. Not promotions, not newsletters, the stuff that you need to deal with first. Email summaries show you a 2-line AI summary right in your inbox, so you don't have to open everything. And Smart Reply suggests actual contextual responses, not just thanks. It reads the email and suggests something relevant. I spend way less time in my inbox now because of this. Live translation is huge. Someone texts you in another language and your iPad translates it right in the conversation. Your replies gets translated back. No extra app needed. Natural language search lets you find messages by describing them, like that restaurant link that Gautam sent me. I know Siri has been Siri, but Apple Intelligence Siri is different. You can type to Siri now, double tap at the bottom of your screen, perfect for when you're somewhere quiet. Siri also has product knowledge, so you can ask, "how do I split my screen?" and it walks you through it step by step. And the big one, ChatGPT integration. When Siri doesn't know something, it hands the question off to ChatGPT. It asks permission first, and you don't need a ChatGPT account, and it's completely free. Is it the Siri that we were promised? Not yet, but it's a massive step up. If you use Apple Pencil, this one's going to blow your mind. Smart Script takes your messy handwriting and cleans it up in real time as you write. It keeps your personal style but makes it way more legible. And when you go back and edit, like inserting a word or deleting something, the new text matches your handwriting. So it looks like you actually wrote it, not like you pasted it in a font. You draw a rough sketch in Notes, like really rough, and Image 1 turns it into a polished image. Just circle your sketch and Apple Intelligence generates a clean version. You can even tap an empty area and it'll generate an image based on what you describe or based on the text around it. It's not replacing Procreate, but for quick visual notes and diagrams, surprisingly good. You know how sometimes there is just no emoji for what you're trying to express? Genmoji fixes that. Type a description like cat wearing sunglasses on a surfboard, and it generates a custom emoji right in your keyboard. Use it in messages, stickers, anywhere. It sounds gimmicky until you actually try it. Apple has a built-in image generator called Image Playground. Describe what you want, pick a style like animation or illustration, and it creates images on your iPad. You can even base them on people from your photo gallery. It's not mid-journey level, let's be real, but for quick images for notes, presentations, or messages, it gets the job done without leaving your iPad. If you record an audio in Notes, Apple Intelligence can transcribe it and it gives you a summary. Instead of listening back to a 30-minute recording, you get a written transcript and key points right next to your handwritten notes. For students and meeting notes, this is a must. Also, if you're solving a math problem, you can now solve it easily using AI. It can generate graphs based on your equations too. So that's every Apple Intelligence feature already sitting on your iPad. No downloads, no subscriptions, just built right in. Which one of these was brand new to you? Drop it in the comments. And if you want a deep dive into any of these, let me know and I'll make a separate video on that. If this was helpful, hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. This is Anjana. Bye-bye.